Okay, well, this is not going to be part 2 of the restoration yet. This is going to be a supplemental video here. Um, I don't know if I showed this yet, but I'm starting to replace these wires. The parts have not come in yet, so I'm just still waiting on those. But anyway, the subject of this video is going to be the rectifier issue that I've found out these radios have. This uses two 6X5 rectifier tubes here. It's got two of them. And if you look on the schematic, you can see them right here. And I have learned that what happens is they short out because they're not designed to handle the current. For whatever reason, Zenith decided to use two of these tubes instead of one 6AX5, which came out a little bit later. So these tend to short out and burn out the power transformer. Well, luckily this didn't happen yet in this radio, so I'm really lucky on that part. So what I need to do is, I've been on the antique radio forums trying to find out how to resolve that problem, and there's been a couple of suggestions. Like one person said to wire in a dial lamp into the plate circuit of this, which I'm assuming, I'm not like an expert like all these other people are, but I'm assuming wire it in here somehow. And the other one is to rewire one of the sockets, block one of the sockets off, and then rewire one of these to take a 6AX5, which will handle the current. Well, that requires a little bit of circuit design, and I am not like, I'm kind of like old 64 Goat. I'm a kind of a tinkerer, and I'm not an expert on designing circuits. I can only fix or improve what's already here. So I tried to do some research online to see how to do that, and I cannot find any visuals on how to do that. Like, how would I turn this into one socket to take a 6AX5, or how would I add a fuse in here? Or like, I need to visually see it in order to be able to figure it out. Because, you know, the people on the antique radio forum were like, "Oh yeah, just rewire the socket so you can take a 6AX." I don't know how to do that. So yeah, if anybody could help me out with that, that would be greatly appreciated. I mean, just like, tell me in a way that I can visualize it, because I'm a very visual oriented person, and you know, if you just tell me to stick this in or put this in, you know, I'm not gonna understand it. I need to have a visual. Also, I want to put either a power resistor or a bucking transformer or something to lower the voltage down to a safe level for this. I don't know what value of resistor, wire wound resistor, I would need. I think what you gotta do is use Ohm's law or something to, like, you have to figure out the current of the set, and then something like that. If somebody could kind of give me a hand with that too, that would be great. Either link me to a video or something where I could visually see it. That would be really helpful. I also know you can put a safety cap in. I've been out of this hobby for quite a while, so I don't know. Like, I haven't messed with these radios in at least 5 years, so I'm kind of out of practice. And I used to know how to do it, but now I'm not so sure anymore. So, you know, again, if anybody could link me to some videos or something like that, that would be really helpful, and I'd really appreciate it. So, thanks guys. Take care.